Renewing a PPM contract. Welcome to this tutorial on renewing a PPM contract. Select the PPM contract you wish to renew. Now open the Renew option, as indicated. Here, you can choose to renew the whole contract in exactly the same format as already set, or you can choose to change aspects of the contract. For example, you may wish to change the default amount per visit, if this is a fixed price contract. Once you have made your changes, select the Save option. You will now be given a system warning, as shown. Once proceeded with, you will be taken back to the All PPM page, and when the renewal is completed by the system, it will notify you that it is complete, in the bell icon as shown. Thank you for watching this tutorial.